Welcome my channel for Drivepedia. Today we're taking a closer look at the future of luxury and performance, the Mercedes Benz SL-class. This stunning vehicle is packed with cutting-edge features, sleek design, and revolutionary technology that will leave you breathless. From its bold front grille to its sleek, aerodynamic lines, the SL-class is a masterpiece of engineering. With advanced materials and innovative manufacturing processes, this car is both powerful and efficient. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a luxurious interior that redefines comfort and style. With premium materials, advanced infotainment systems, and cutting-edge safety features, this car is the epitome of luxury and innovation. But it's not just about looks. The SL-class is also a powerhouse on the road. With advanced engine technology and precision handling, this car is a thrill to drive.he future of driving with the Mercedes Benz SL-class. From its advanced technology to its sleek design, this car is a true marvel of engineering. Don't miss out on this in-depth look at the ultimate driving. Here are some potential future features and technologies that could be included in a next-generation Mercedes Benz SL-class. Electrified powertrain options: hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or fully electric. Advanced autonomous driving capabilities level 3 or level 4. Augmented reality display and interface. Biometric sensors and health monitoring systems. Advanced materials and manufacturing processes, e.g. carbon fiber, 3D printing. Enhanced safety features, e.g. advanced airbags, protective structures,